2018 Nissan Sentra Review. Rivals don't come near to providing the cabin space with the 2018 Nissan Sentra. Most have more engaging performance, more high-tech features, or nicer interior materials. Because of this, the Sentra occupies the lowest rung from the compact car class. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Excellent passenger and cargo space. User-friendly infotainment system. Outdated, drab cabin. Underwhelming engines. If you are looking for fun driving, the 2018 Nissan Sentra isn't the car available for you. Its base engine is underpowered, and also the optional turbocharged engine and performance-oriented senior turbo and Nismo models can't match the potency of most rivals. The Sentra's fuel economy is a little above average yet still far from the top from the class. On the handling front, the Sentra feels composed through turns, even though it is not as sporty as some competitors. The ride is smooth over rough patches of pavement. However, performance models feel noticeably stiffer. A 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine that creates 124 horsepower associated with a 6-speed manual transmission comes standard inside the 2018 Sentra. A 188 horsepower turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder can be purchased in senior turbo and Nismo models. A continuously variable transmission CVT, which functions such as an automatic, is usually available. A base model with all the manual transmission gets nearly 27 miles per gallon inside the city and 35 miles per gallon traveling, while a model while using CVT gets as much as 2,937 miles per gallon city highway. That's decent for your class, though some competitors are now more fuel efficient. Neither from the Sentra's engines are incredibly thrilling. The base engine has barely enough capacity to move the car's weight. The available turbocharged engine feels better, however in actuality its acceleration isn't that significantly better, particularly in models while using CVT. Sticking while using manual transmission slightly improves acceleration, and not by much. If you want a truly quick compact car, think about the Ford Focus RS or Volkswagen GTI. The Sentra features a smooth ride over rough roads, is straightforward to maneuver, and contains properly weighted steering. It's not exactly athletic, nonetheless it feels composed around corners. The Sentra Senior Turbo and Nismo models tend to be agile, but you are still outperformed by many sportier competitors. The Nismo trim's stiffer suspension negatively affects ride quality, more bumps are felt within the cabin. The Sentra has front-wheel drive. The 2018 Nissan Sentra has quality interior materials, although cabin's design looks dated when compared with more contemporary rivals. The Sentra is just about the passenger-friendly cars within the class, with generous space and rows of seats. The infotainment system is not hard to use, although the screen just isn't as large as those available from some rivals, nor is there as many state-of-the-art features. The Sentra incorporates a very roomy trunk for your compact car class. There are 5 seats from the Sentra. Cloth upholstery as well as a tilting and telescoping tire come standard. Optional comfort features include leather upholstery, heated front seats, and also a power-adjustable driver's seat. Overall, the Sentra offers exceptional passenger space for any compact car. Both rows can comfortably accommodate adults, and leave plenty of legroom. Headroom is usually a bit limited for particularly tall adults, since seats are mounted rather high. Still, the high mounting can be quite a positive for shorter drivers, because it provides excellent visibility. the Sentra can be quite quiet inside. There are full groups of latch-child seat connectors on each in the Sentra's outboard rear seats, in conjunction with an additional upper tether anchor around the middle rear seat. The 2018 Sentra comes standard using a 5-inch touchscreen display screen, Bluetooth, a 4-speaker sound system, and also a rear-view camera. Optional features include dual-zone automatic climate control, a moonroof, a better 5.8-inch touchscreen technology, navigation, Nissan Connect smartphone integration, an 8-speaker Bose premium stereo audio, satellite radio, push-button start, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. All designs have a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system with clearly labeled on-screen buttons. Higher trims have an alternative system that also includes navigation and Nissan Connect smartphone integration, which allows you to access a few of your apps for the touchscreen. Many rivals have bigger displays which include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, which tends to be more advanced as opposed to Nissan Connect setup.